sure they are clear completely. So I'm applies a coat on the top of the 2 coat of a gel polish. I apply this on and then key already. Make sure and apply this all even and not missing any parts. Key that ones. Also, I am going to do another one. So I'm going to do this design on the top. You can do like a solids colors. You don't have to do exactly the same one, but I just want a matching colors. Apply this top on. Did I miss anyone questions regarding to the cute flowers? Okay, good. Libras, keep in mind we're gonna have your black colors coming. All right, here another 30-second here. And next ones, which is the last one. You don't know how much I really want. I really want my nails to be like roses. There are so many cute stuff. And also, here you go. Remember last year that I did the poinsettia for you? Well, we did it just recently. And as all of you will say, is like poinsettia. But then we did it last year. I did it with 4D gels. For all of you who love doing sculpting with flowers and stuff, when you're getting really like good at it, absolutely, this is for if any of you that okay, you have 5 minutes, you put crystal on and then the designs on. What can you able to do to like really make the clients happy and also upsell your service. So I'm gonna place a foil and use my tweezer and then do it in. This is the really convenient. Oh, and then one more thing I really want to show it with you. Just right, hold on 1 second. Let me finish this first part. Sure you press it firmly. It's only transfer to where you apply your gel, foil gel. Transfer foil gel. If not, then it might not transfer for you. Here you go. Transfer everything. Look at that. Oh my god. You know, think about this. We'll put the 3D roses on. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, so here, transfer everything for us. Oh, I'm so obsessed. So pretty. Sorry everyone, I'm so excited. Alright, so on the second one, so it doesn't matter, you can do it's like diagonal, you can do straight, you can do however you prefer. It doesn't have to be I usually press it right in the middle first and then rub it down to the side. So I believe we do like so many tutorial, probably 100 of them with all transfer foil. So if you miss this, you can absolutely be watching them. There's a lot of tip and trick that I share. So if you are like having a little bit troubleshooting, don't hesitate to like go into our Hey Foxy, how are you, love? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hi Sarisa. Make sure I don't miss anyone. Sometimes it's hard because I was like sorry, my phone is trying to turn it on the side. Here you go, next one. Ta-da! Even is already pretty by itself. Move on to the next one. Hey Melanie, how are you? Hey Chichan. Hey Melanie, is big. The cute flowers. There's a lot of different sizes, so Stay tuned for so many of them. So you're gonna do is just give it a little press. Make sure you rub it really well though. And then, here you go. Great, so I'm gonna do the Pixie in a different color. However, this is always in a good first choice. The clients love this. If you want to do this, so then it's not